नमस्कार। जनमानस विवेचना के YouTube चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं अमलेंदु भूषण खाम। पत्रकार से पॉलिटिशियन बनना बेहद ही कठिन होता है, या इसे कहें बेहद ही आसान होता है। दोनों बातें हैं। लेकिन डॉक्टर तेजस्विनी गौड़ा एक सफल राजनीतिक के तौर पे सामने आई हैं। डॉक्टर तेजस्विनी गौड़ा 2004 में कांग्रेस के टिकट पर पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री एच.डी. देवेगौड़ा को, जो कि आप जानते हैं कर्नाटका के मुख्यमंत्री भी रह चुके हैं काफ़ी लंबे समय तक और देश के प्रधानमंत्री भी रह चुके हैं। डॉक्टर तेजस्विनी ने 2004 में कनकपुरा लोकसभा सीट से कांग्रेस के टिकट पर एच.डी. देवेगौड़ा को भारी मतों से हराया था और वो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट बन गई, सांसद बन गई। लेकिन 2014 में डॉक्टर तेजस्विनी ने कांग्रेस को गुड बाय किया और बीजेपी में शामिल हो गई। उस समय में बीजेपी का बोलबाला था, आप जानते हैं, और बीजेपी के टिकट पे वो फिलहाल एमएलसी बनी हुई है कर्नाटका विधानसभा में। लेकिन वो आज फिर कांग्रेस में शामिल हो गई। कांग्रेस में शामिल होने के बाद उन्होंने कहा, जिस तरह से न सिर्फ प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी पर हमला किया, पूरी बीजेपी को कटघरे में खड़ा कर दिया। डॉक्टर तेजस्विनी ने बीजेपी, खास करके पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी पर तीखे हमले करते हुए कहा, साउथ इंडिया की पॉलिटिक्स और नॉर्थ इंडिया की पॉलिटिक्स को लेकर के जिस तरह से राजनीति की जा रही है वह बेहद ही गंभीर है। डॉक्टर तेजस्विनी ने साउथ इंडिया की पॉलिटिक्स को हाईलाइट करते हुए न सिर्फ सोनिया गांधी, राहुल गांधी, इंदिरा गांधी तक की चर्चा की और कहा जो उस समय में कर्नाटका या साउथ इंडिया जो है वो कांग्रेस के लिए काफ़ी पूरे देश में एक मिसाल बनकर के सामने आया था। डॉक्टर तेजस्विनी ने भारत रत्न पे भी काफ़ी जो दिया जा रहा है, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जिस तरह से भारत रत्न बांट रहे हैं, उस पर सवाल करते हुए कहा कि प्रथम फील्ड मार्शल जनरल मानेकशॉ को भारत रत्न क्यों नहीं दिया गया।
Speak before you because that is my home. I am from media. From media, an ordinary journalist, a honest journalist, got an opportunity through the Congress in 2004. It is Indian National Congress they picked me to fight against the former Prime Minister of India, Shri Devegowda ji in Karnataka. They trusted the intellectualism or academic this thing, and with God's grace, I made it. People of Kanakapura, people of Karnataka always admired my sincere work in journalism. I contributed to strengthen the democracy. Nobody can defeat our morality. This is the time for me to thank, my sincere thanks to Honorable former Congress President, who was always my inspiration. Srimati Sonia ji was also UPA chairperson. And also Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, nobody knows like what I know him. He always encouraged us. He is the man who introduced the internal democracy in true sense to the democratic system, organizational, internal democracy. I have seen him as my colleague, as my brother, as my leader. And Priyanka ji always encouraged the woman. Even you can see in UP what happened, how winning, losing is in the hands of the people. Who are we to say, Jyotish batane ke liye? But it is in the people. Congress party always trusted the people of India. That's why in the hard time, in the best time, this is the party which is going to cherish. And with all my confidence, I'll tell you, in 2004 I entered the Congress. It was Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji who was leading. Nobody believed at that point of time. उस टाइम का मुद्दा क्या था? सोनिया जी का फॉरेन ओरिजिन मुद्दा था. That type of tough time in Congress never we will see. That was the toughest time. But people of India blessed the Congress party defeating whatever the, at that point of time, the beliefs, and UPA came to power. That is the history 20 years back I am telling. And now for me, few things are very important. Now, the tallest leader, the legendary statesman from Karnataka, Sri Mallikarjuna Kharge ji, is heading Congress party. It is an honor to Karnataka and for me particularly personally. And K.C. Venugopal ji is again from the south state. They were all working very hard to strengthen the party. And Surjewala ji, of course, Jairam Ramesh ji is like always my inspiration and our strength when we were MPs, young MPs. They used to mold us like, no words to thank him. And Surjewala ji, again, nobody believed. Unless we achieved, nobody believed because everybody taken over by the, media sayings and all, but that's not the thing. In Karnataka it happened. Getting 136 is not an ordinary task. Under the eminent leadership of an architect of Karnataka, is the popular mass leader, always, the champion of the common, as that Sri Siddaramaiah ji as a chief minister, and Shivkumar ji, our KPCC president, and also deputy chief minister, our Shivkumar ji, they all contributed. Karnataka proved it. I would like to draw your attention for two things. How Karnataka played historical role. When the whole nation demoralized the Congress during Indira ji, this is the land of democracy. In Karnataka, Congress revived. Madam Indira ji bounced back to get the power in the center. And second incident, when Sonia ji entered the politics, everybody raised so many issues, but there was a big fight between Andhra and Karnataka from where Sonia ji to fight. Of course, Amethi was their homeland, but Madam Gandhi chosen Karnataka's Bellary with thumping majority. Sonia ji's leadership being accepted from Karnataka. So this is the brief history I would like to say. This is the high time. Believe me, this is the high time why I left the BJP. Let you tell me, I spent my 9.5 years in Congress. I got 3 opportunities to fight the elections. I am penniless person. I am very proud to say that. Even my deposit money paid by Congress Karyakartas when I contested first time, even today I am an ordinary, I am a salaried person living with my journalism background, and I am from very, very humble background, even no panchayat member, nothing. My parent never understood what is MP when I became the MP. That's my background. That is the faith, that is the strength. That value should not go. Today BJP doesn't believe in constitutional democratic values. If everything is good, let me ask 3 questions. Why sitting ministers has been changed their constituencies in Karnataka? मोदी जी का इतना चलता है, दुनिया भर नेतृत्व बहुत स्ट्रांग है. Why sitting central minister from Chitradurga you saved? Everything is they can get the victory on your name. And why you have changed the Udupi Chikmagaluru sitting MP and sitting woman minister for that matter? Why go back? हंगामा चल रहा है, इधर भी go back है, उधर भी go back है. Why? If everything is all right, I think you are all very sensitive, and we believe in the democracy in the hearts of the people. They will ensure the numbers, because again I will recall 2004 is in front of us. So this is the high time. Let us work for the poor of this nation. Congress party is older than 95 years older than BJP party. Congress party is a historical political party. Congress party became a political party to realize the true dreams of the Indians. And Sonia ji's 2-decade leadership really strengthened the democratic process in India. It is the party who successfully led the coalition governments in national level. Yes, I do understand this is a tough time. Yes, Congress is down but not out. This is the high time to strengthen the democratic political values in this country and to save the constitutional values, we have to strengthen. It is everybody's responsibility to strengthen the Congress party today. It is the ultimate, a very liberal, a truly democratic political party. With all my sincerity, I would like to, why I am delayed, Jairamji? Because till the distribution of the tickets, because I served in BJP. I asked the ticket in BJP for Mysore Coorg. Many people, because they misunderstood. Yes, when parliament attack हुआ, मैंने इतना ही कहा, not even outside I asked the ticket. Not even one, as a disciplined cadre of political party, not even openly I asked my ticket. With all my leadership there, I asked, I told, not to support, whether intentionally, unintentionally, parliament attack तो हुआ, passes तो issue किया, law agencies has to take care of their own process. But why you supported that MP? आपका मंशा क्या था? To support one MP, you suspended 141 MPs. Is this? It cannot be justified. And that's it. There now Maharaja is fighting. In case if they deny the ticket to that MP, I asked a ticket because I am a scholar. I am not a moneyed person. Mysore Coorg. And today, let me one more thing. Today is Bharat Ratna issue हो रहा है, like they were awarding. मैं ask one thing, Article 370 को बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा बना दिया बीजेपी पार्टी ने. Why you have not given Bharat Ratna to Field Marshal Karyappa first? He is from Coorg. He is the man who fought so many wars with Pakistan. So Congress बात नहीं करते, काम करते हैं. History is there before us. So that's why this is the high time. With all sincerity, I would like to work for the party, to strengthen the party. I don't expect anything from Congress party. It is up to the leadership. It is up to the cadres. Happily, I would like to, because in democracy, political parties must sustain without any fear. If there is fair election in Karnataka, let me tell you, more than 23 seats Congress is going to gain under the leadership of Kargeji, Siddaramaya ji and Shiv Kumar ji. All of us were going to out and out, and also at last how they ditched the Vokkaliga leadership in Mysore fold, because I belong to that fold, and their unholy alliance with JDS. Just power mongers. When Yadiyurappa ji istifa diya, kya kaha? Because of Baap Beta. Today, on what face they are going to, have campaign in that belt at all? Just their only intention is to power. Just power के लिए कुछ भी करते हैं. But in coming days, you all will be there to see. Karnataka once again will strengthen the Congress party. It will realize the expectation of Congress High Command from Karnataka. We are going to work hard for that.